Hi, my friends. This is Lenka Koloma, and today I'm going to be sharing a letter that I wrote to the sheriff in my county. This is Orange County in California, and here we go. So notice to agents is notice to all principals. Notice to principals is notice to all agent. Written on June 28, 2021. Dear Sheriff Don Barnes, this is an official legal notice concerning criminal coercion and armed intimidation conducted by Orange County Sheriff Department deputies under your supervision throughout your jurisdiction of Orange County, California. One of the most recent and most alarming incidents is that of May 7, 2021, when I was assaulted, battered, coerced, kidnapped, falsely imprisoned, my automobile unlawfully searched, and my private property stolen by Deputy Bijan Mazarji, badge ID number 10205. Bijan Mazarji engaged in racketeering when I was peacefully exercising my unalienable right to travel in my private automobile secured under the Constitution, the supreme law of the land, per Article 6, Section 2. With this legal notice, you are here to officially informed of the following. First, America is a constitutional republic where the Constitution for the United States of America is the supreme law of the land as declared in Article 6, Section 2. Marbury versus Madison, Supreme Court ruled and declared that all laws, rules, and practices which are repugnant to the Constitution are null and void. Second, I, Lenka Koloma, am a living, breathing, naturally born American woman, one of we the people, with and claiming my inherent unalienable rights secured to me under the Constitution. I am not a U.S. citizen, nor ward of the state. I am not a fictitious corporate entity. I am not a creature of statutory law. Third, I, Lenka Koloma, am a peace-loving, non-violent, law-abiding private American with diplomatic immunity under the Foreign Sovereign Immunities Act, Title 28 U.S.C. Failure to comply will subject any public servant to Criminal Code Title 18 U.S.C. 112, 241, and 242. Fourth, I, Lenka Koloma, am not a driver, but a traveler in my private automobile with a private plate. The claim and exercise of a constitutional right cannot be converted into a crime. Miller versus United States. If the state does convert your right into a privilege and issue a license and a fee for it, you can ignore the license and a fee and engage the right with impunity. Shutterford versus Birmingham. For a crime to exist, there must be an injured party. There can be no sanction or penalty imposed upon one because of this exercise of constitutional rights. Sherrard versus Cullen. Fifth, I, Lenka Koloma, am not U.S. citizen limited to privileges. I am an American state national with inherent, unlimited, unalienable rights endowed by my Creator, including rights secured to me in the Second Amendment to bear arms open or concealed. The claim and exercise of a constitutional right cannot be converted into a crime. A denial of them would be a denial of due process of law. Simmons versus United States. Where rights secured by the Constitution are invoked, there can be no rule making or legislation which would abrogate them. Miranda versus Arizona. It is now requested that you educate your personnel and any other hired police services within your jurisdiction of Orange County, California, of my rights to ensure peace and harmony in our community. Armed coercion and intimidation by any public servant will not be tolerated and will be prosecuted at the highest level. This is not a threat, but rather peace offering to start working together to ensure proper and most importantly lawful conduct within our county. Last but not least, we the people will be visiting your offices at 515 North Flower Street in Santa Ana to hold a press conference on Friday, July 9th at 8 a.m. in the morning. We greatly appreciate you and any of your representatives being available for a comment. I will be also present to install a newly purchased private travel plate on my private automobile since the original one was stolen from me by Deputy Mazarji, badge ID number 10205. I will be available to educate any of your deputies on the law, answer any concerns, and hold Q&A. We look forward to working with your department as we transform Orange County into a constitutional sanctuary for our people and their families. Your fellow American and a friend in peace. All rights reserved without prejudice. Lenka Coloma.